So beautiful. I'm going to wear them right now. They're so pink and trashy. Look at them. Oh, I love them. They're already coming out on the sides. No. I'm such a great seamstress. Don't do this to me. This is what I did to it. So I just made them a bit shorter. They're much better now, aren't they? Made such a difference. I mean, they're still delightfully trashy, so I'm on Clubhouse, I don't know if there's but I love them now. I took them in a bunch of places. Interesting. Turning it up today. Remember the last time I did my nails, I didn't really do them properly, so they're off again, so I need to redo them. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do a petit French. Yes, I don't even remember the last time I did a petit French, but I'm so excited. I have a question for you guys about my leisure wear. So we've been speaking about the samples, the sizes, the quantities. In the end, what I'm going to produce is I'm gonna have leggings and a crop top which are a size extra small to small because they're super stretchy and super soft and they really work. I'm the first one to say that I don't like sizes to be all encompassing, but in this case, it really works really well for both sizes. So I'm gonna do extra small to small and then maybe medium to large. I don't know if I have an audience for that. Let me know if any of you, out of interest, would be a medium. I am basically an extra small, and my sister, who's quite a bit bigger than me, just in general, she's taller, she fits the same size, which is a small. So whoever fits an M to L would have to be substantially bigger than my sister. So we're talking about, I don't even know, I guess bigger than a size 12 UK. I don't even know what that is in US. I don't know, just let me know your opinions, what you think about that. Look where I am. I came cycling all the way to Santa Eulalia to see a storm. And it's been such a beautiful road. I wish I could have shown you. It's just been campo. This is where I'm coming. This place is meant to do some of the best Indian food in the island. And I miss Indian food when I'm in the island because there's just not a lot of it. So bad. I haven't even taken the Indian food out of the containers, but it's amazing. This is samosa. I'm watching You Only Live Twice. How sexy is this? Don't look at the little bits coming out, that's gonna come off. It's really hard to French tips on your toes. Oh my god, my abs are starting to show. I've been so diligent with my diet lately. I really wanted to lose. I just needed to be a little bit lighter, you know, because I'm doing a lot of inversions, a lot of yoga, and I just need to be able to move. I was feeling super heavy. My brush is probably disgusting because it's full of sand. This is weird, you know, I'm burned from the cold water. Ready to go to the supermarket.
Front of the left ankle and arch, front of the left ankle, I should say, into the arch of the right foot.
Hi. How was everybody's day today? My day, it seems like nothing happened, and actually a lot of things were happening. I'm just going to take my vitamins. I just went for a run and I had a cold shower because I felt like I was going crazy. I've just spent so much time looking at screens, and you know, I get kind of headachy and dizzy. First I was watching some shitty program on Amazon, like 90 Day Fiancé or one of those. I'm also watching Pretend It's a City with Franz Lebowitz, which is great actually. It's like full of interviews. But anyway, this morning, I think it all went wrong from the morning actually. Because this morning, you know that I go swimming every morning. The sea was terrible, and I mean, it was just giant waves, just breaking on the coast. I could not do it. Plus it was raining, which was not a problem. I was ready for that. It was raining the whole time I was cycling there, and I was like, fine, I'll get wet, I'm going swimming anyway. But then I get there and just like the waves are too high, and I'm like, fuck, I hate postponing my swimming. So then I didn't feel great from the beginning. I came home, I took a cold shower. I wanted to get ready really early because I had this guy installing my oven, which I now have an oven. A working oven here. Anyway, so then I do my cold shower, you know, my stuff, my pranayama, stretch that I do myself. And then at 10:15, he came late. So the Bosch guy from the oven came, and he was actually really hot, and I was really excited because I don't get to see that many people. And I'm like, yes. hot technical support, and he kept telling me, you know, any problems you can call me, because we have been WhatsApping and stuff, but I'm not gonna do the cliche porn movie plots. So anyway, he left, and then what did I have then? I had a class. Oh yes, I had my Iyengar class, which was really good, with Christian Di Giorgio, really good Iyengar teacher. So that was great. I had an hour and a half of Iyengar. And then I was supposed to do a pranayama stretch, but nobody had signed up, and honestly, I just wasn't feeling it. I was kind of hungry, I had to do stuff, so I started just doing stuff around the house, which always gets me in a bit of a funky mood, because I feel like I don't make myself accountable for that time that I spend, for example, sweeping the floors, or just general tidying up of spaces, picking up the laundry. It often takes much longer than you think. So then I did that for like maybe an hour, because I had to. And then I went shopping, because I needed, again, boring stuff. I needed a stick for my mop. And because I had the oven, I wanted to make banana bread, but I wanted to make it immediately. Like, you know, where you're hungry and you need it now. And it got me into a really bad mood that I didn't have it now. I had to actually go to buy stuff. So I went out, I bought stuff. First, at the biological, at the organic store, I spent like 15 minutes choosing the right bananas for my banana bread. And there was a queue of 2 people, and I was like leaving them near the counter, but not on the counter, just like I always leave them there, just like hold them for me. And then what ended up happening is that the first person that was in the queue took all of my bananas. I don't believe they didn't notice. It was like a chunk of bananas like this, like the whole tree of bananas. They took all of my bananas, and I had to start again choosing the freaking bananas. While I was choosing the new bananas, a couple of more people come in and start getting in the queue, and I'm like, dude, I was just ready to pay for this. So anyway, so this trip to the supermarkets took me like, I don't know, an hour. So then I was really starving, because, by the way, I fast in the morning, so I don't eat anything. I ran out of storage. Let's continue. So then what did I do? Okay, so then I started cooking, and I cooked my banana bread, which I have over here. It was really successful. I used walnuts, bananas. I made a small one because I knew I would eat it. So a bunch of bananas, oat flour, walnuts, and 1 date. That's it. And then I was eating it with honey. No, not honey. I was eating it with strawberry compote without sugar, just strawberries, and with hazelnut butter. So it was like a cake. I mean, it is like a cake. It's amazing. It's great. Anyway, I also made fish. I made this really amazing fish. I will put the video. You've probably already seen it. It's called rocha. It's like it's a red fish, and it's only in Ibiza. It's really good. So it's wild. They catch it wild here. I was like, while I eat, I'm going to watch my Jason Crandall videos, because you know that I'm doing this advanced course, 500 hours, with amazing yoga teacher Jason Crandall. So I watched that. So I guess that was kind of productive. And then at 5, I already had the live meeting with Jason. So then I was kind of, during those hours, another frustrating incident that happens. Within that time, I managed to consume this stuff. Lush sent me a sample, and it says, fairly traded honey. I mean, what am I supposed to think it is? Well, apparently it's some sort of bath gel, but I decided to lick it because it smells kind of honey-like. And I thought about it, and I thought, it's no way they're gonna send me honey. Why would they? And then I thought, well, maybe because they're natural, maybe they send me an ingredient. I don't know, maybe they have spare. Oh, so you can't imagine, just putting the tongue in that. I spent 20 minutes washing my mouth inside out to get it out. I felt like I was going to choke. And then I had the 2 hours training, and I felt so bad because I hadn't had time to actually do his yoga sequence, because we have a 90-minute yoga sequence that we're supposed to do each day. I mean, you're not forced to do it each day, but it's just, I like to follow the pace. And instead I had done my usual Iyengar because I also don't want to miss my main teachers, like my usual London classes. So I think tomorrow I'm going to have to drop Marco's class and just do Jason's class, because otherwise I'm never going to be able to do Jason. Like, there's no way I'm going to fit in 2 90-minute classes with the amount of bullshit that comes up in my life for no reason. So anyway, so after those 2 hours with Jason on Zoom, I was like, I need to get out of here. So I went out running. I thought, oh, this is me, by the way. I'm just super tired, and I just washed my face and put my face creams on for the night, so I didn't want to have my face all over the phone. Look, let's demonstrate this fine morning my active range of motion and activity. This fucking difficult. See how your range of motion is on lateral lift of the leg. And forward lift is a little bit easier. Lateral lift is really the worst.
Inside of the hand and the outside of the hand. Ideally, you actually want a good circumferential grounding to that hand.
Good morning. Let's record. Inhale, exhale. There's a sign there that says drinking water for €1.35. And every time I cycle past it, I feel an indescribable urge to pick up drinking water for €1.